keeping your home clean doesn't have to be overwhelming. With a few smart tricks, you can maintain a spotless space effortlessly. Stick around as we share the best home cleaning ideas to keep your home fresh and organized. Section 1, Daily Cleaning Routine. A little cleaning each day goes a long way. Start with simple habits. Make your bed every morning to instantly make your bedroom look tidy. Wipe down kitchen counters after each meal to prevent buildup. Sweep or vacuum high-traffic areas daily to keep dust and dirt away. Before bed, do a quick 10-minute cleanup to reset your space for the next day. Section 2, Declutter and Organize. A clutter-free home is easier to clean. Try using storage bins or baskets to keep items organized. Follow the one in, one out rule. If you bring something new in, remove something old. Declutter one area at a time, like a drawer or a shelf, to make the process manageable. Donate items you no longer need to free up space and help others. Section 3, Natural Cleaning Solutions. Why use harsh chemicals when you can go natural? Mix vinegar and baking soda to clean sinks, bathtubs, and drains. Use lemon and salt to scrub cutting boards and remove stains. Freshen up your home by simmering cinnamon sticks and orange peels in water. A few drops of essential oil in your mop water can leave your floors smelling great. Section 4, Deep Cleaning Hacks. Deep cleaning doesn't have to be exhausting. Here are some quick hacks. Use a pillowcase to clean ceiling fan blades without spreading dust. Steam clean your microwave by heating a bowl of water with lemon slices for 5 minutes, then wipe it down. Roll a lint roller over lampshades and fabric surfaces to remove dust easily. Refresh carpets by sprinkling baking soda, letting it sit for 15 minutes, then vacuuming it up. Oh you tiro, and there you have it. Simple, effective cleaning ideas to keep your home spotless without stress.